hour would you suggest dedicating in getting prepared, and how much would you say and suggest to dedicate into educating yourself?
Just break them into one thirds. One third you're studying, one third is your marketing, one third you're doing lead gen or talking to people, networking, and getting in front of potential buyers and sellers. That's it, right? So that should be your day if you're a full-time real estate sales professional. Again, full-time means 40 to 50 hours a week at minimum. And when you're just getting to this business, this is your business. And like with any new business, it's easy to start that business, but it's very difficult to grow that business, right? So the ascension, it's tough, it's very difficult, but that's where you have to put in the time, you put in the effort, you have to commit to it, you have to be consistent with it, right? And you have to implement. And there are going to be days when you're going to question things. It's not going according to your schedule. There are going to be days when you're going to be feeling discouraged, where you're not going to have money for the gas to pay to drive somewhere. But there are also going to be days when you're going to help that client to go through the finish line, close the deal, and get that $5, $10, $15, $20,000 commission check.